is one of the extra month. Actually, basically this is earlier it was called Mal Mas. Like Mal means stool. It's like just stool. It's no use. So then the story goes on that this month went to Krishna, Vishnu, and Vishnu took to Krishna. So then Krishna blessed her and then said that because you don't have any name, so I'll give you one. You have no name and you are surrendered to me. You have no shelter. You have so I'll give you shelter and I'll give you my own name. So that's how this name became the Purushottam month. Okay. So how come this month was an extra month and it did not have any name? So actually what happens is like there are like this as per our Vedic scriptures like Srimad Bhagavatam 5th canto, there is something called Kala Chakra. Okay, and in that Kala Chakra there are 2-3 things. Okay, so first is like nakshatras. So these 27 nakshatras are there, and Abhijit is 28th one. Okay, so when these nakshatras there is something called Kala Chakra, which is actually the Krishna himself is present in the form of Kala Chakra. Okay, so this Kala Chakra, time wheel, this, or you can say zodiac, continuously it rotates. Okay, so this around the Kala Chakra there are these 27 nakshatras, including Abhijit 28, like that. And these nakshatras only actually form when some nakshatras come together and they form a particular shape. So that is called Rashi. Okay, so like if these nakshatras somehow came together and they are forming some design like Cancer or like sheep or like Tula, so that what shape it looks like, that the name is given. That's how this is Aries, Leo, and like that, Karka, Simha, Meen, Tula, Virshakra. So that's how this is. So what happened is that now sun and moon both rotates through this Kala Chakra. Okay, around this Kala Chakra sun also rotates and moon also rotates. Kala Chakra itself also rotating. So now there are 3 things rotating. Okay, so this thing is understood. Kala Chakra speed is, suppose something, for example, one round when, okay, like say there is one round field and 3 boys are circumambulating it. Okay, so there is difference in the speed of the 3 boys. So first boy, when he completes first round, one round, the second boy completes 0.99 and third one completes 0.9. That means second boy is lagging 1% and third boy is lagging 10%. It is technical mathematics. Okay, so but you can understand how this extra month becomes. It's interesting for me, so I am just telling in very short. If you want, I will refer you the book or you can talk in detail. Okay, so then first round, when first boy completes around the field, okay, it's a circular field, you say like cricket ground or something. Okay, so he completes one round, second boy is lagging 1%, third boy is lagging 10%. So when the second round completes, so the second boy, when first boy completes second round, then second boy is lagging behind 2%. Okay, and then the third boy is lagging 20%. isn't it? And then when 10 rounds, so now first round, 2 round, and 10 round completes, then what happens? This first boy is lagging 10% and the third boy is lagging 100%. That means when first boy completes 10 rounds, then third boy is lagging behind full 1 round. That means 1 round is still pending. He did only 9 rounds. So if you see that time, you may see like both are going together, but you have to see history, then only you will know that this boy, third boy, is lagging behind 1 round. He is actually doing the 10th one, and this guy already did the 10th one. Good. Then 11 round, so second boy is lagging 11%, third boy is lagging 110%. Then like this goes on, and then when first boy completes 100 rounds, then the second boy is lagging how much? 100%, because he was lagging 1%. So 100 round means 100%. That means when first boy completes 100 rounds, then second boy completes 99 rounds and the third boy completes 90 rounds, lagging behind 10 rounds. Clear? So now you remember this one boy, boy 1, boy 2 and boy 3. Now boy 1 is like time wheel. So this is like Kal Chakra, like this. It rotates. Around the Kal Chakra rotates sun and then rotates the moon. Okay. So then when there is a speed difference between the speed of Kal Chakra, speed of moon and speed of sun. So that's how it is that when Kal Chakra complete full round, that is 360 degree, okay, then sun is lagging behind 1 degree, okay, and moon is lagging behind 13 degree. Why? Because there is a delay in the speed, moon and sun and Kal Chakra. Okay, Kal Chakra means consider Krishna only. He represent Kala. Okay, Krishna only. In order to run everything, control everything, Krishna manifests Kal Chakra. Okay. Then when second round completes, time wheel completes 2 round. That means 2 into 360 degree. Then what happened? Sun is lagging behind 2 degree and moon is lagging behind 26 degree. 13 degree double 26 degree. So like that, time wheel completes 30 rounds. Okay, 30 rounds completes. That means sun lags behind 30 degree and moon lags behind 390 degree. That is 13 divided by 12. Okay, 30. So this 30 rounds is like then 360 rounds. Okay, 360 round when Kal Chakra does, then sun lags completely 1 round and moon lags completely 13 round behind. Okay, so actually Kal Chakra did 360 rounds. Okay, sun did 1 round less and moon did 13 round less. Okay, so considering the actual motion of time wheel, sun and moon as explained in Srimad Bhagavatam, so when time wheel completes 360 rounds in clockwise direction, the sun completes 365 round, indicating the completion of 1 year, 365 days. Okay, so sun completes 365 days. Okay, 365 round you can say. So that are the 365 days. So that is 1 year. Okay, but Kal Chakra did 360. Okay, actually it is not 365, but it is 365.25. Just to make the calculation easy, we say 365. Okay, in addition, moon only completes 352.667 rounds. That means making 13.333 rounds behind or reverse. So when it goes, it means it is lagging 13, you can say. Okay, so these indicating 12 months as per the lunar calendar. So these 13 rounds only creates the 12 months. Okay, and then after the completion of every round, the sun files behind almost like one round, you can say, in with respect to Kala Chakra, and then moon files behind by 13 rounds. This is clear. So in this way, what happens when 3 happen, then this little lag becomes one full month. Okay, so these calculations are based on, as I said, 365 days, but actual time is 365.25 days as per the sun's movement. And appearance of an extra month once in every 3 years instead of actual appearance of extra month every after 32nd and 33rd month. So what happens if it is only 365 days, then the extra month will come exactly at the same time. But because it is 365.25, that's why the month keeps moving. Okay, sometime here, sometime there it comes, the extra month. Okay, so it's like that. That's how this extra month, some around 27-28 days comes out. Okay, so this is the calculation given in the Srimad Bhagavatam about the Adhik Mas. Okay, that when moon completes 37 reverse revolutions while sun covered only 3 in 36 month. Okay, moon covers 37 and sun does only 3. Okay, so in this way, causing one extra month known as Adhik Mas in every 3 years. So thus this Kala Chakra with the movement of sun and moon over 3 years can be because of this arrangement only this extra month comes there. Okay, because every time there is little lag. Okay, so that's how this Jyotish Shastra says. In Bhagavatam this much is mentioned. If you go with other books like Surya Siddhant and all, you'll get more detail. Okay, so if you want, I can tell you little more explanation as mentioned here. So 27 constellations are there, that means nakshatra, and 2.25. So when this zodiac signs are there, so in every zodiac sign 2.25 nakshatra comes. That's how this Kal Chakra is designed. So first inner circle is 12 rashis, and then second inner circle is 6 seasons are divided, and then third cycle in the Kal Chakra, third cycle is lunar month of the year, or like that. Okay, I think I have a photo of this thing. I'll show you. Let me see if I can show you the photo of Kala Chakra. It's very nice. 1 second. Yes. Anyway, I am not getting it. I think okay, one second. Or if I get it later, I will search and I can share with you. So now I'm just searching, but if I don't get, I'll search later and I'll give you. Okay, I got one image, so that I will show you. You might have seen this thing. This is very short one. There is a big detailed one that I will share with you later. Okay, so now I think you can see, right? Yeah, so that's how it is. So this Kal Chakra continuously moves, and around this these are the Rashis and all, and this Nakshatras, as I said, different position of Nakshatra will make different shape, and that is called the Rashi. So like this, so sun moves around this, okay, like this, sun and moon. So, and this Kal Chakra also continuously moves, okay. So that defines the day and night and 6 seasons. This is explained in the 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam in detail. Okay. So thank you.